Well, I suppose my neighbor and son and I could have picked it up and gotten it unloaded, but my neighbor didn't show up until we was rigged up. So I went ahead and used the excavator. It's a Atlas made with Craftsman's name on it, model 101.27580. And I've read that the last three digits in the serial number tells you the month and year it was made in. So this one was 4/62. So if that's true, April of '62. It's very dirty. I knew that when I bought it. I knew I was gonna have to clean it. So it's gonna take a whole lot of cleaning before I can get around to using it. I've always wanted one, and now I got one. I'll be covering the cost of what it takes to own a lathe, what you have to buy, and so forth and so on as time goes along. And I'll be learning just like anybody else. The first time owning a vid, I've never owned one, only operated one once in 1974. And I've pretty much been wanting one ever since. I've been watching a lot of Mr. Pete 222 vids. I'll put a link to his page in the description. He's an ex-school teacher. He taught a machinist class. And he's God's gift to us for us beginners. So many more vids coming on this. So thanks for watching so far. Everybody take care, and I hope everybody's well.